Good morning, everyone. I'm Uma Maheshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this video lecture series, I'm going to explain about the cloud storage, how we are going to collect the data, store it, and computing using a cloud platform. Cloud storage, it is nothing but a model of data storage in which the digital data is stored in logical pools, where the data is being stored in the digital pools. Then the physical storage spans multiple servers. Here the physical storage spans multiple servers and often locations, and the physical movement is the physical environment which is typically owned and managed by a hosting company. This is nothing but the cloud storage. It is a model of a data storage where the environment is being owned and managed by the hosting company. How does the cloud storage work here? First one is redundancy, where the core of cloud computing is used mainly in order to achieve data storage. The next one is equipment, where we'll be using here the data servers and the power supplies. And the next one is data files. Here replication of data files is being enabled in order to achieve the data efficiently. First, the way where the data first is being given to from the client to the server through the application required, and through the service related part, and also the resource owner. From the resource owner, the data from the client is being given virtually to the server, and also by using the authenticated request is being given from the client to the server in order to achieve the data storage effectively. Then another method is nothing but from the client computer, the data is being given to the control node. From the control node, the data is being stored in the database, where here the storage database stores all the required data. From the control node, the data is being divided, the data is being splitted into two or three parts, and it is being used in the database. From the database, we can take the data whenever we need to access it. Then the cloud storage personal use benefits, that is as I said, from the main node, the data is being splitted into different parts, and where the database is created over there and the data is being stored there. Likewise, here iCloud is nothing but a service provided by the Apple. It has a 5 GB storage space, and it is free of cost. Once the iCloud is used, you can share your stored data on any of your different Apple devices. When the iCloud is used, we can share our stored data on any of our different Apple devices. Then access to all the files, music, calendar, and the email is being used by the iCloud. Then the benefits of cloud storage and the uses are nothing but with cloud storage there is no need of CDs, external hard drivers, or localized servers. Data is quickly and automatically updated in the cloud and available for our retrieval whenever you need it. And we also should use our office become the victim of a burglary, fire, or natural disaster, then our data is being safe and secure in the cloud, even if our physical assets are being destroyed. One of the greatest benefits of cloud storage is its ability to grow with its users. With no need for physical on-site storage space, we can have a smaller workspace which is less equipment by and fewer IT employees to maintain our equipment and manage our data. These are the main benefits of a cloud storage. The main advantages of cloud storage are usability, bandwidth, accessibility, disaster recovery, and the cost savings. Usability, how we are using the stored data effectively. Bandwidth, where how much space is being required in order to store those data is nothing but a bandwidth, accessibility, how effective we are using those accessed data. Then disaster recovery, in order to recover data from the original part will be stored it in the another database, so we can collect those data from the disaster recovery part. Then cost savings is nothing but the cost is less in this cloud storage. Then grid computing was the latest research led centralized approach. Then many new open source systems appearing that we can install and run on your local cluster. Assessment will be having the disadvantages of cloud storage are usability, accessibility, data security, and the software. Thank you.